My name is Mugolo Marisela and I'm currently a student at Central University of Technology. The project that I'm about to demonstrate, it is an automatic fire alarm system. The aim of the project is to design an automatic fire alarm system that will detect a smoke when there is a fire outbreak in factories. Many factories encounter fire outbreaks, of which it endanger the lives of the workers. Making workers aware of the outbreak, it is very important as it will save the lives of workers. The project will help in saving the lives of workers and also saving the workplace in which the workers work at. How the project works, meaning the methodology. The components that are required are Arduino Uno PIR sensor, MQ2 sensor, temperature sensor, which is the T11, servo motor, 2 LEDs, a buzzer, a capacitor, resistors, an LCD, and ESP Wi-Fi module. The project uses Arduino Uno board to implement a control system, and there are three sensors that is used. They are namely PIR sensor, which will sense the motion or detect the motion of the workers, and there is DHT11, which will sense the temperature or the humidity of the room, and there is MQ2 sensor, which will detect the smoke. Then firstly, in the first step, the PIR sensor will sense the motion of the workers and it will indicate with a green LED. Secondly, the DHT11 will sense the temperature, and when the temperature is above 60, it will indicate with a green LED, and a buzzer will issue a sound. Then after that, the MQ2 sensor will sense if there is a smoke. Then if it is a smoke, it will indicate on an LCD that there is a smoke detected. Therefore, the servo motor will open. When there is no smoke, it indicates no smoke detected. And then when there is a smoke, the servo motor will open once the MQ2 sensor detects smoke, and then it will indicate on LCD that there is a smoke detected. Then there is a smoke detected. Yeah. And then on the flow chart, we start with the start, then there is Arduino Uno, and then there is MQ2 sensor, which indicates that when the LCD displays no smoke detected, the servo motor will be closed. And then when the LCD displays smoke detected, please evacuate, the servo motor will get open. And then it moves to DHT11 sensor. When the temperature is below 60, both the green LED and the buzzer will be off. And then when the temperature is above 60, the green LED and the buzzer will be on. And then we come to PR sensor. Then on PIR sensor, when there is no motion detected, both the relay and the red LED will be off as there is no motion. And then when there is a motion detected, the relay will turn on and the red LED will turn on to show that there is a presence of workers. And all of this will be saved on ESP. After the ESP collects and stores data, it will display the graphs on ThinkSpeak. And then on field 1, there is temperature and humidity against time, and on field 2, there is smoke against time. Then we move to a block diagram. On block diagram, we start with the power supply, USB cable, which connects the laptop and the circuit. And then there is a temperature sensor, DHT11 and PIR, and a gas sensor. Then from Arduino, they move to a Wi-Fi module, ESP, LCD, and a servo motor and a relay module, also a buzzer. And from a relay module connects with a red LED, and a buzzer connects with a green LED. Then here is a circuit diagram of the project. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's all about my project.